Good morning everyone. Welcome back to grade 3 mathematics class. I hope all the concepts from chapter 1 are clear to you. So we'll start chapter 2 today. Let's talk about addition now. So we know the numbers that we add are called addends and the resulting number is called the sum. We have learned this in our lower classes. Here is an example. Here you have added 45 and 20. So these two are the addends here and the resulting number 65 is the sum of the addition. We also know that even if we change the order of the addends, the result will not change. The sum will be the same. Look at this example. It's 10 plus 20 plus 30 gives the sum 60. Even if you change the order of the addends, the result is the same. And we have also learned that even if we add 0 to a number, it remains unchanged. It's 75 plus 0 gives 75 itself. So let's learn more about addition today. So let's start with the first page in your chapter 2. Please check into page number 18. You can see the heading, let's recall. All of you please go through the questions and answer the questions. You can pause the video, finish the activity and come back. I hope you finished that activity. Now let's learn more about addition of 3-digit numbers. See, here you can see a 3-digit number and a 1-digit number. Let's see the addition of a 3-digit number with 1-digit number without regrouping. Here in the ones place you have 5 ones and 3 ones. And in the first number you have 2 tens and 3 hundreds as the other digits. So let's start from the right. That's how we add numbers, right? So 5 ones plus 3 ones is how many? It's 8 ones. And do we have any tens digit in the second number? No. So we can bring this 2 down and we can bring this 3 down. So the answer for this number, for this addition is 325 plus 3 equals 328. Now let's see the same process with a 2-digit number. Here you have a 3-digit number 428 and a 2-digit number 31. So again we start adding the ones first. So 8 ones plus 1 1 give you 9 ones. Then in the tens place you have 2 tens and 3 tens. So 2 tens plus 3 tens give you 5 tens and there is no digit in the hundreds place in the second number. So let's bring this 4 down. So the answer is 459. Now see, here you have 2 3-digit numbers. So we have digits in the 3 places in both the numbers. So let's start adding the ones. 4 ones plus 5 ones give you 9 ones. 2 tens plus 4 tens give you 6 tens and 3 hundreds plus 100 give you 4 hundreds. So 324 plus 145 gives you the sum 469. Now we'll do an activity. Please note down these questions in your notebook and find the sum. You can pause the video, finish the activity and come back. Hope you finished doing that one. Now let's see the answers. The first question, 412 plus 386. So starting with the ones, let's add the ones first. 6 ones plus 8 ones give you, 6 ones plus 2 ones give you 8 ones. Then 8 tens plus 1 10 give you 9 tens. Then 400 plus 300 give you 700s. Now the next question, 509 plus 210. Let's see how we can add those numbers. 509 plus 210. So 9 ones plus 0 1. It's 9 ones itself. Now let's add the tens. Now 0 10 plus 110. 110 itself. Now let's add the hundreds. So 500s plus 200s give you 700s. So I hope your answers are correct. Now let's see the addition of numbers when regrouping is involved. So now first let's see the regrouping of ones. It means if the sum of the digits in the ones place are more than 9, we regroup the ones. So let's see that. Here is an example. Here in the ones place you have 7 ones and 5 ones. What is 7 ones and 5 ones? 7 plus 5 equal to 12. So it's 12 ones. So like we said, if the sum of the digits in the ones place are more than 9, we regroup the ones into, or 10 ones into 1 10. So here we have 12 ones, which is equal to 10 plus 2. That is 10 ones plus 2 ones. So we know 10 ones are 10 itself. So let's regroup this 10 ones into 1 10 and then 2 ones. So how do we write this one? Here 7 ones plus 5 ones will give you 12 ones. So in the ones place, let's write this 2 ones, and we have 110 here. Let's carry over that 110 to the tens place. So that 110 is carried over to the tens place. Now how do we add? 1 plus 1 plus this carried over 1. So the total is 3. Now there is no hundreds digit in the second number. So let's bring this 1 down. So the answer is this one. So the sum of this addition 117 plus 15 gives you the sum 132. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's talk about regrouping tens. Similar to the regrouping of ones, if the sum of the digits in the tens place is more than 9, we regroup 10 tens into 100. We know 10 tens equal to 100. Let's see that with an example. See, here in the ones place you have 5 ones and 4 ones. So let's add the ones first. It gives you 9. Here in the tens place you have 8 tens and 3 tens. That gives you 11 tens. 11 tens equals a value of 110. And this 110 we can write as 100 plus 10, or this is 100 and 110. So now we're adding 8 tens and 3 tens. From this 11 tens, let's write this 110 here and then carry over this 100 to the hundreds place. Now what is the sum in this case now? Now we have 200 plus 100, that's equal to 300, then plus 100 equal to 400. So 235 plus 184 gives you the sum 419. I hope this is clear to you. Now we'll see the regrouping of hundreds. So similar to the regrouping of ones and tens, when the sum of the digits in the hundreds place is more than 9, we regroup 10 hundreds to 1000. Here is an example. Here you have 2 ones plus 3 ones equals 5 ones. 9 tens plus 0 tens equals 9. Then 7 hundreds plus 4 hundreds. What is 7 plus 4? It is 11. So we have 11 hundreds here. So 11 hundreds or 11 into 100 equals 1100. So that we can split into 1100 equals 1000 plus 100. Okay? So this is 1000 and 100. So when you are actually adding 700s and 400s, you are getting 1000 and 100. So from this 1100s, you write this 100 in the hundreds place and then carry over this 1000 to the thousands place. So here we have 1, the carried over 1 in the thousands place. So that gives you the sum 792 plus 403 equals 1195. Now let's see a combination of all these three. Here you have 6 ones and 7 ones, which equals 13 ones. So 13 ones is 110 plus 3 ones. So let's carry over the 110 to the tens place. Now you have 7 tens plus 5 tens, that is 12 tens, plus 1 10, which is equal to 13 tens. So 13 tens equal to 100 plus 30 or 3 tens. So from that 100, let's carry that 100 to the hundreds place. So here it is 800s plus 200s plus 100, that is 1100s. So like we said earlier, 1100 is 1100. So that 100 we write here and carry over the 1000 to the thousands place. So that gives you the sum 1133. So today we talked about adding 3-digit numbers with and without regrouping. I hope it is clear to you. So as an activity for the day, you have to go through the pages 18 to 22 in your textbook and then do all the questions from exercise 2.1. I hope all the concepts are clear to you. We will meet in the next class. Until then, bye.